Welcome back to the Mountain Morning Show. This morning I have Amy Armour and Beth Armstrong from People's Health Clinic. We have some new news going on today, right?
Absolutely.
So first of all, I do want to hit you guys just open a new clinic.
We will be opening, we've made an arrangement in Heber to open a clinic 1 day a week from 8 to 12 to begin with. It will be for our Wasatch County patients that it makes it easier for them, just especially with the winter months coming over on 40.
Going over Jordanelle is always scary.
Yeah, sketchy. So we're hoping that that will make their lives easier and we're reaching out to Wasatch County, let them know that we are here for them, and we've made a nice agreement with Intermountain Healthcare. They're going to be providing a space, so we're just going to have a satellite office, and we're going to hopefully be able to expand the hours, but it'll be a nice start, 8 to 12 on Mondays.
So right now it's at the IHC hospital, kind of at the back end of Heber, right?
It will be. It'll actually be it'll be in the office that Dr. Cook is currently in now. So
cool.
These are patients that he's already seeing, so it'll be a real women's clinic. And Dr. Cook is an OBGYN. We will expand it if we see the need for just primary care and chronic illnesses
internal
as well.
medicine, family practice.
Yes.
Very cool. So tell me the hours again.
8 to 12 on Mondays, starting the first week in December.
Oh, so it hasn't happened yet?
No.
I totally misspoke. Okay, so it's happening.
Okay. It's happening.
It's happening. First week of December.
Very exciting.
Mondays 8 to 12, IHC Hospital in Heber.
It's coming.
It's coming.
Stay tuned.
Winter's coming, right?
Right.
Well, that's very cool. I love that. So do you see yourself expanding?
You know, we're just trying to fill the need. So you'll recall that the Planned Parenthood office closed in Heber, and that left a large gap for women seeking services for those that didn't have insurance and couldn't afford health care.
And that's how you focused in on the women's clinic?
Right.
Awesome. Well, very cool. Well,
Thank you.
I'll be looking forward. Let us know if you expand the family practice or anything like that.
Absolutely.
Okay, and then next month you're having a busy month.
Yes, November is a busy month. November is National Diabetes Awareness Month.
Okay.
So we're doing, let me phrase it this way. We are partnering with the American Diabetes Association and the Summit County Health Department to put on a diabetes health fair on November 14th, which is World Diabetes Day, from 4 to 7 p.m.
Okay, so what is a health fair? What does this include?
We want to make sure that people who are at risk for diabetes can come in and get tested. We'll have different booths and tables set up in our lobby to get tested, to get education, to find out what it means to be at risk, and just learn about what it means to live a healthy life and prevent diabetes.
So are you expecting to see people who think they may have diabetes and are coming in for the first time, or people who know they have diabetes and are maintaining, or both?
Actually both.
Both?
Both, because we have programs through our partners for diabetes prevention, diabetes wellness, diabetes education. So anybody who may think they could be at risk, the Latino population is an at-risk population. So we want to make sure that anybody who's at risk comes in and gets tested.
Very cool. And this is November 14th?
November 14th, that's
Do you know
right.
the hours? Is it like an all day?
No, it's from 4 to 7 p.m.
Very cool.
We'll also have Base and Rec and the Mark there. Who else did I say is going to be there?
Nutrition. Let's see, somebody on.
We also have Take Care Utah, who will sign people up for ACA, the Affordable, Health Care Act, because the window is open from November 1st through December 15th. So anybody who is thinking about getting health care insurance can sign up then. And then, of course, the American Diabetes and the Health Department. The Wasatch Health Department, County Health Department will also be there as well.
You're going to be packed. How
We're
many
hoping so,
doctors?
yeah.
How many doctors will be there?
Well, our regular clinic doctors will be there, but we'll have people staffing each table who will be able to provide this great information to everyone.
That's very cool. So not only can you go get tested, but you could really just find out more about how diabetes works.
Yes.
how to maintain it? What do I do now? Now
Absolutely.
I have diabetes, you know, what do I do with
Well,
insurance?
so if people get tested and find out that they're not within the normal range, we will give them a next step sheet so that
That's
they
awesome.
know what to do once they have those numbers to make an appointment with their healthcare provider or make an appointment right there at People's Health Clinic, bring those numbers in so that they can get treated accordingly.
That's such a big deal. Because
It
diabetes,
is.
I mean, it's not like, oh, I just got a flu and it's over with. This affects your lives every day.
It's an epidemic.
Right.
They say, according to the American Diabetes Association, 1 in 3 people have diabetes. And hundreds of thousands of people have prediabetes and don't know it. So we want to make sure that we help take care of our community.
That's huge. That's very huge. So November 14th
from 4 to 7 p.m. at People's Health Clinic. It's
on Round
free.
Valley?
On Round Valley Drive. It's free. Anybody can attend.
That is so cool.
We also really want to encourage, if you don't have insurance and you want to come in and find out more about ACA coverage, it's a very short window. In the past, it's been 3 months. Now it's going to only be 6 weeks, that sign-in window. So if you don't do it in that window, you're not going to be able to get the ACA. If you're not currently covered, but you could be, you should come in and try and get more information on it. And we could sign you up right there.
Wow, they don't make it easy for us, huh? 6 weeks?
Yeah.
Right. No, they've shortened the window, so we want to make sure we act quickly.
Right. So what else do you have going on in November? I believe Live PC, Give PC, is that right?
Yes, that's a big one.
That's a big one.
That's a big one. We are doing all kinds of stuff to get our community to donate even $5 to Live PC, Give PC. As you know, this campaign supports all nonprofits in Summit County. It's Summit County's Day of Giving, and of course, we're making a huge push. We are also having a party, which I haven't told you about, on November 10th.
This is news for everybody.
News for everybody at the Spur.
Okay.
They are going to be throwing us a party from 5 to 8 p.m.
love the Spur.
And 10% of all of the money that goes toward food goes to People's Health Clinic during that time.
Fun.
So they are doing a huge push to help us and all of our patients in our community.
Say
which
the
is
date
great.
again for Spur.
Friday, November 10th from 5 to 8 p.m.
Wow.
So actually, they are donating 10% of all their sales the entire day, but there's going to be a party that night that's open to everybody, to the public, from 5 to 8 p.m.
You guys are busy. Especially how everything is kind of like in the next, few
Right,
weeks.
Exactly.
Wow, very cool. Well, girls, thank you so much for coming on.
Thank
Is there
you.
anything else you want to cover for November?
November, I think we're good.
I think we're good.
More to come. We'll have
Yes.
some people. We're going to be bringing people in
Of
on
course.
our next visit. So
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for coming on. I do appreciate it, as always.
thank
Thank you.
All right, we do have a lot more coming on the Mountain Morning Show right after this break.